Columbia at the DoubleTree by Hilton on Broadway. So I am 7:17. So, I'm sorry, I'm by myself. I'm here for work. I have a work thing tomorrow that I have to do. So we are staying at, DoubleTree by Hilton in Columbia. We're in Columbia, Missouri on Broadway. The road is Broadway, sorry. So, let's see what we got. Glass shower doors, that's nice. Ooh, we got some nice shampoos. Oh, I really like this mirror. Double lights on the mirror. That's really cool. There's the toilet. I do like that shower. I do like glass door showers. All right. So there's 4 of us, and it's so funny because they literally put all of us on different floors. One is on 2, one is on 4, one is on 6, and then I'm on 7. I just thought it was funny that like we came in together and we're all in different rooms. I gotta get some lights on here. Okay, let's try the windows. All right, so that's the parking garage over there that we're parked in. So down below, that is the front of the hotel. So we had to park in that garage. The garage is not connected to the hotel, so we did have to come back out through the garage and go into the front entrance. But what you're seeing out here, I can't see because the garage is parking it, but to our left is Mizzou. So we're in downtown Columbia right now. And then in a couple minutes, we are going to go walk around and see if we can find a place to eat dinner. All right, so I'm assuming queen or king size bed. It's a nice bed. Oh, what kind of bed is that? It's really soft. All right, we got a nice desk. We got some coffees, and then some water, and then the menu for breakfast. I wonder what time it opens. I might have to call them. So this hotel does not have a free breakfast. I'm kind of spoiled by Drury's because they have free breakfast. That's okay. I guess I'll have to order breakfast in the morning. But I like the room. It's very nice. I'm assuming this is a closet with an ironing board. Yes, ironing board and iron. Okay, so room looks nice, bathroom looks nice, and I'm just staying here for one night. So we'll check out in the morning and then go to the hospital that we're going to tomorrow morning. So I'll probably, and it's one of those elevators that you have to do your key card, which the first time I saw that was in Chicago, and I like that, you know, the elevator's not gonna move if you don't have a room key. So I do like that security aspect. So I guess, okay, so the hotel is called the Broadway, a DoubleTree by Hilton. So, yeah, it's I feel like it looks like it's kind of a fancier hotel. I'll try to get the lobby, but I felt the lobby was really fancy looking. But when we came in, there was a bunch of people milling about, like, I think it must also have conferences and other stuff here because they were all like in business suits and stuff. And here I am in jeans. But okay, yes, this is a very nice room. All right, this is the house. Sorry, I'm trying to put my cord on my battery. All right, so there's the thing. espresso bar. And we want brown floor, right? Yes, I think we want, oh yeah, hold on, we want that. This is the elevator. Alright, this is the lobby. Got a fireplace. That's the restaurant. Just checking it out. This is the sink. I'm just showing this because I've never seen this before. This might be common to other people, but I just thought this was really cool. So it's above the counter, which is cool. But this is the faucet. Look at that. Isn't that kind of fancy? I don't know, I just thought it was fancy. I feel like I need a faucet like this in my bathroom. And then there's, yeah, makeup remover wipe, shampoo, lotion, conditioner, bath soap, and facial soap. I'm just excited about the soaps because the last hotel I stayed at, the Drury, you didn't get to take any. It was just the kind that's, you know, on the wall in the shower, but this one doesn't have that. So, yeah, that's the faucet. Very fancy. I'm gonna show this to Buddy. I wanna get one of these.